Aquino III, President, Republic of the Philippines.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of...
From his foundation, the PSG is not composed of troops.
Jeff Delgado, Senior Military.
Uniform distinct to the Presidential Security Group. Red Catherine as President with the Philippines will have capital senior. Likewise,
at pinaka-importante bahagi nga po nito, ang ating kabuuang sandatahang lakas. At binuo yung organisasyon na naging pundasyon ng mga sumunod pang mga PSG.